Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. Today we are going to unbox a Redmi Note 5 Pro cover for the back case. So let's begin the video. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, this is the parcel. So I'll just cut this out. Let me just start from here. I'll just cut open from here. That's cool. So it's easily coming out, and from here let's just cut this. And I had if you guys have seen the reboxing video of Redmi Note 5 Pro, and if you go down to the comment section, you find many comments about the new case of Amazon on Amazon, sorry, not off. So we find our bill over here. Then the next is we find the box inside this cover. Okay, the packing outside was really good, but inside it's a little bit what do you say, like a trash. Okay, let's just cut the tape. It's over here. Now let's just cut open. We have just done that. Let's keep the knife over here and let's see what's inside. Okay, oh, that's a good packaging inside, guys. So when you take this out, okay, there's nothing in. And when we keep this aside, and there is something thermocol again. And finally, here it is, the Redmi Note 5 Pro 360-degree protection. It's written in Chinese, full protection case, 360-degree. So that's fine. I hope there is a tape over here. Yeah, there is a tape. Let's just pull it. And guys, this is the set, and this is not broken, guys. It comes like that. We have just to assemble it. We just have to assemble it. There is an iPhone picture but Redmi Note 5 Pro is an Android device, pure Xiaomi. And let's just take this cozy cushion out here. And guys, let me just clean the thermocol from this. And when you just pull this out, it's fixed like this. But I had this cover that comes with the Redmi Note 5 Pro with the package. That's the silicone cover. Let's keep this aside. And now we have the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's use this cushion to clean it. I think so it doesn't clean it. So let's just keep it. And now let me just show you how you can fix this to your, what do you say, new case. Let me just first clean this inside part. There is some thermocols over here. There are some. Okay, the case is really hard. It's made up of plastic. And now let's just place our phone on this, and let's press it. Okay, our phone is actually fitting correctly. And now let's just fit these according to these below. Okay, so first this one comes here. Yeah, it comes like this. Let's just press it, and on the right. Yeah, that's done. And let's just press our phone. And now on the downside, okay, we'll have to place it like this, I guess. Yeah, that's right. Now let's press it again on both the sides. And guys, that's done. And now we have a really cool looking Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. Guys, when we compare this to this is really great, because this one was totally flexible, but this is a hard case that gives you 360-degree protection. And this is also made up of plastic. I thought it will be made up of some rubber. And here it is, the phone, it's on. Now when we slide down from the top, we just find these. Okay, that's fine. Now let's just check out our channel, and let's go to YouTube. Let me show you the channel. Make sure you subscribe, guys, if you want to watch more videos like these. And this is the Unboxer TV, and Adnaan Ahmed from Unboxer TV signing off. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my collab channel, that is SMS Gamer. And guys, thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. If you guys want to buy these, buy this, what do you say, cover. The phone looks pretty cool. You can just order it on Amazon. I'll give you the Best Buy link in the description as always. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Bye bye.